How do I overcome anxiety?
Breath. Breath is the connection between body and mind. Anxiety is what? Some sensation in the trachea region of yours, near the trachea. In the chest region, there is some sensation. Your adrenaline is up, and that affects your entire chemistry. Now, then it affects the mind, and mind affects the endocrine system. Now, between the mind and the endocrine system, your breath plays a very, very important, very vital role. Somewhere we miss this. We have not paid attention to this. If you do practice Ujjayi breathing, you do Kriya, do meditation, you will see you will be able to get out of anxiety easily. Just few times practicing it is good enough for you to come out of anxiety. Yeah. Anxiety, fear, tension, all these, uh, you know, emotions can be gotten over easily by doing Bastrika, Ujjayi Pranayam, and Kriya with meditation. Yeah.
Gurudev, when someone criticizes me, I get offended very easily. What is the best way to handle feedback and criticism?
Well, you have already uh, diagnosed your issue. That's half done. Now you determine I'll not get affected. Now, say suppose someone criticizes you, they must be a very good friend of you because they are putting your friendship at risk and they are criticizing you for your good. So if they are criticizing for your good, welcome them. And the second position is that person is jealous of you or they are ignorant of what you are, who you are. So if someone who is jealous or ignorant criticizes you, what you do? You simply ignore them or feel pity for them. Hey, you don't know what you are doing. Hey, come on, you know nothing about me. And your criticism, okay, it has no meaning. But if someone is doing it because they want you to grow, they want you to change, you must thank them, welcome them. I don't see a third situation here. I only see these two. If there is something good in it, you take it. If it is happening just out of some jealousy, you pity at them. They must be boiling, thinking about your progress or whatever, and they're criticizing. So what? Yeah, that shouldn't bother you at all, right? Yeah.
How do I know what is the purpose of my life?
Well, when you're hungry, you know you're hungry. When you are sleepy, you know you feel sleepy. So something inside tells, oh, this is right thing I'm doing. Correct? I think you have to go the other way around. See, think what is not the purpose of your life. If you go from the negative of the process of elimination, then you may arrive at something that you really want to do. Yeah. But I tell you something, one who knows will not tell you. And anybody tells what is the purpose of your life, they simply don't know it. But this is good to have this question. This question, you know, clears all those cobwebs around our mind, in our intellect. It will remove the cobwebs. It will clear out many things in life. So keep asking this question again and again and again. What is the purpose of my life? What is the purpose of my? So whatever is not the purpose, they'll simply drop off. Yeah, right? Okay.